What branch of horticulture involves the production of fruits and hat crops? A. Floriculture. B. Agriculture. C. Pomology. D. Olericulture. Answer is pomology. This is the raising of fruits and nut crops. Okay? So when we say horticulture, ito po ay isa sa mga branches ng agriculture natin. No? Isa sa mga pinakamalaking branch ng agriculture. When we say agriculture, divided siya into animal husbandry and horticultural production, or horticulture and animal husbandry or animal science. Okay? So hortus means garden or enclosure. Colore naman is cultura or to cultivate. No branches of horticulture, we have the pomology, which is raising of fruits. Olericulture is raising of vegetables. Ornamental horticulture, we have the floriculture. When we say floriculture, no, cut flower, flowering pot plants, florist greens, or cut foliage or foliage plants. Again, mga ma'am and sir, when we say floriculture po, no, this is the production of cut flowers at pwede ding foliage or dahon lang na nilalagay sa mga vase, nilalagay sa mga stage natin para sa kanyang aesthetic beauty. Okay? So, under the floriculture naman, we have the nursery management and landscape gardening. Okay? Now, agriculture, Latin words is ager and soil, and cultura to cultivate. Art and science of systemic production of useful plants and animals for man's use through human management. Art and science of raising plants and animals for consumption and profit.